Hello everyone, my name is Rizky Anugrah Pratama. My name is 442501116. I would like to present the material about the simple present tense. What is meant by the simple present tense? The simple present tense is a verb tense in English that is used to express action or event that occur repeatedly or routinely, habits or situation that continue to exist and the present time. When is the present tense used? The present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or a general fact that is happening at the present time. In addition, the simple present tense is also used in conditional sense type 0 and conditional sense type 1 patterns, followed by the simple future tense. Formula simple present tense. This formula consists of subject plus verb in the positive form. The verb in its infinitive form does not change except for the third person singular he, she, it, where s or es is added. Example of simple present tense formulas. How do we make simple present tense sentence? Here are the formulas you can use. Affirmative, subject plus to be plus complement. Negative, subject plus to be plus not plus complement. Interrogative, to be plus subject plus complement. Example of simple present tense sentences. I am an international school student. Saya adalah seorang mahasiswa. She is not an international school student. Dia bukan seorang mahasiswa. Is she an international school student? Apakah dia seorang mahasiswa? Verbal simple present tense. The formulas for the simple present tense in verbal sense are as follows. Affirmative, subject plus verb 1 plus s atau es complement. Negative, subject does not verb 1 plus complement. Interrogative, does subject verb 1 complement. As explained earlier, in a verbal sense you do not need to add to be after the subject because the verb serves as the predicate. Therefore, when the subject is a third person singular, he, she, it, or a singular noun, certain verb must be added with s or es at the end. Positive or affirmative simple present tense. Just like nominal sense, verbal sentence also have a positive form as discussed earlier. Example of simple present tense. I live in Jakarta. Saya tinggal di Jakarta. He live in Jakarta. Dia tinggal di Jakarta. Negative simple present tense for negative and interrogative sense. We use do or does or do not and does not. Example, I don't live in Bandung. Saya tidak tinggal di Bandung. She doesn't live in Bandung. Dia tidak tinggal di Bandung. Itu bagi wanita. We does live and not doesn't live. That's because the es ending is already included in does, so verb life stay in base form and does not need any additional ending. Simple present question or interrogative. In interrogative signs, there are two main types. The first is the yes or no question form. Example, do I work? Apakah saya bekerja? Yes. Does he work? Apakah dia bekerja? As the names suggest, yes or no question can be answered simple with yes or no. Example of answer, yes I do. Ya, saya bekerja. Yes, he does. Dia bekerja. What are some example of simple present tense? Positive sentence, she wants to be a doctor. Dia ingin menjadi seorang dokter. Cows eat grass. Sapi memakan rumput. They speak English at the office. Mereka berbicara bahasa Inggris di kantor. Negative sentence. They don't have a money. Mereka tidak punya uang. Lala doesn't see Peter in the class. Lala tidak melihat Peter di kelas. My best friend Fatir doesn't love you. Sahabatku Fatir tidak mencintaimu. Interrogative sentence, do they talk a lot? Apakah mereka banyak bicara? Does he play tennis? Apakah dia bermain tenis? Does your father drink coffee? Apakah ayah mau minum kopi? That's all for my presentation. Thank you. Bye-bye.